Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're reviewing LumiBalm by Luminara Beauty, that all-in-one viral balm that claims to hydrate, tint, and glow up your skin instantly. But with so many ads and way too many 5-star reviews, the big question is it actually legit or a clever scam? Let's start with the official site, luminarabeauty.com. According to their page, LumiBalm is a 3-in-1 balm designed to moisturize, add a healthy tint, and give a dewy finish. They highlight ingredients like hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and antioxidants with claims that it suits all skin types and tones. Sounds promising. They also show a 4.8-star rating with over 14,000 reviews, which honestly raises some eyebrows. That many reviews with barely any criticism, it feels a bit too curated, and when you look closer, many of the reviews sound copy pasted or overly polished. A common tactic with fake or filtered feedback. Also, there's not much transparency about the company, no ingredient list right on the page, no third party testing, and no clear info about where the product is made. That's a red flag for a skincare item going directly on your face. LumiBalm might not be an outright scam, but it's definitely surrounded by hype. If you're going to try it, proceed with caution and set realistic expectations. Don't rely on the site's reviews alone. Try checking trusted skincare communities or Reddit for more honest feedback. Thank you for watching, and if you've used LumiBalm before, let me know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.